get set, go.
Yes, just that, yes. Peaches, 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 love you.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Easter. Just woke up, but today's a special day. Today is my son's birthday, or one of my sons, Tristan's birthday. Today he's 9. Guys, my voice is going. I'm not feeling well, but I'm here. I want to show you a little bit of how Jamaicans celebrate Easter, even though I'm an Easter bun kind of donor. What? Let me show you a little bit. So here we have Easter bun, 1 off. And it's already done. But if I get an HTV this time, I couldn't find any. So I got regular bun, but it's already finished. Escovitch fish is almost finished as well. It's a pack, courtesy of my in-laws.
Mommy, so what do we do?
That goes with a tin of cheese that's already cut up. Put in the fridge. So tin cheese. Yeah. So guys, like I said before, it's this Tristan's birthday. So I'm about to start getting everything prepared. Because he actually wants he doesn't want a party. Well, he asked for a party late. Originally he asked for Easter egg hunt since his birthday falls on Easter Day or Easter Sunday. So I had to watch my previous videos, my Walmart and my Dollar Tree haul. You will see where I was actually doing some shopping for the egg hunt. So I want to get everything prepared because I took today off from work to get this prepared for him. Yeah. We're going to do an Easter egg hunt. We're going to get everything set up, get everything prepared in the yard. And then at 1:30 we have movies where he wants to go and watch Mario Brothers that was just released. So that is the plan. But I haven't got the chance to put his gifts together yet either. So I need to do that. And I'm awake already. This good boy wake up excited. We also have TJ that's on his way from school coming down to celebrate with us. So let's jump into getting it set up, okay?
Can I help you, Mommy?
Stop right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and meal. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
No, because they're too, especially Timania. Guys, I just came from decoration outside and hiding all the eggs. Outside is so cold. My ear is hurting me. Outside is so cold.
Mommy, outside beautiful.
Outside is beautiful.
Look. Show everyone
Alright, so
outside.
we'll get the kids. I'm ready now. It is now. When I first spoke to you guys, it was like after 6. It is now some minutes to 9. My ears hurt so bad. So I'll get the kids. I'm ready. I already took out their clothes. Put on some clothes because after this we're going straight to the movies. So we'll see you in the next clip. You have some of the eggs that are actually all over the place and some that are actually hidden in certain areas, okay? Also, you have some really shiny eggs. Those are the prized ones. Those are the one that actually has money inside. So they're hidden from the front, literally all over the place. From the front to the back of the house, the sides all over, okay?
Okay.
So, yes.
Money, can I keep it?
Duh, that's what the egg hunt's about, child.
I didn't know if you wanted me to give
So, try. So, where basket the TJ? No.
Oh, it's over here.
It's a lot of eggs. Go, hurry up.
Go.
No, wait till TJ. Wait, somebody took off. Somebody took off. All right, TJ.
I know.
Shiny eggs has money.
The shiny eggs. You have
$1.
six eggs. 6 shiny eggs. All right? On your mark, get set, go. Don't throw the decoration. That's the decoration.
To a place where I
that's
felt
it.
at home. Take me back
Great egg,
to a
great
day
job.
when we weren't alone.
Nobody
Take
took out
me
the
back to
decoration.
an
Those are
age when the
decorations.
world felt small.
Just the one on top.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I
That's
felt
decoration.
at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter
Ready,
to
boy,
hide.
put on the
When
head, put on the
everything
head,
is
put
a
on the
lie,
head.
you'll find that out
Or
in
you
some
gonna get the
time.
hat.
But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is
Look,
this
they're
an
in
argument, or
everywhere.
just the start
Every
of
country
it?
got except to the
Either
extreme
way,
part.
I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it?
Hey, mama.
I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something
They're
that is
all over.
bottomless.
Look.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone.
Sure, if
Take
I
me
wanted to
back
find the
to
one,
an age
they're
when
not
the
to the
world
extreme
felt
part. They're to the
small.
sides, but not to the extreme part.
Way back before we
Just
blew
try
it all.
to
I
step
know
up
that
trees and
things
find
seem
one and shine
bad, but
one.
they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater
There are
curse,
more.
a greater thirst.
There are
hunger,
more.
pain and mercy.
Just
Just
little
find
hints. They're
whatever
in
you got
trees, they're
and try
on
to be
top of
thankful
woods, they're
first.
everywhere.
I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel
Ah,
it's
Jesus.
tense. Don't know the consequence, the volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part
Careful,
of it.
Debbie.
Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I
Got
can't
a
be
lot.
picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an
Oh, there we
argument
go.
or just the start of it?
Nice.
I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises.
Yeah, baby.
Or maybe drown myself in something
Good
that
job.
is
Let me get it for you.
bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back
There you
to
go.
a day when
Perfect.
we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before
There are
we
a lot
blew
of
it
them they
all.
don't find yet. Mrs. Don't not take up the decoration there. Hold on up of the decoration. They're every.
Where are they?
Mama, the
Yo,
one
somebody take out the one out of that tree. That's
yeah, Chavana just find it. And
Savannah find it?
Nelly.
Shiny eggs. I didn't
It should be 6. Chavana, just where to go. Stop show them.
So me I help them find.
No, come in and show nobody. There are a lot more eggs.
One shiny one. This dog talking to me.
Real.
6. Who find shiny one?
Everything I do
You have
so
one?
instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive,
2, 3,
like an
4.
adjective. I got a
Did you have a
vendetta
shiny
against
one?
people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
So hold on, no,
I got
but
facts
Tristan,
over
Tristan
facts
find
over
one,
tracks.
Tristan
This
found
and
a
that, spitting
4.
slow, spitting fast. I
Now
can
they
roast,
have
I
one.
can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know
Wait, hold on,
always
TJ,
be a bit
let me see if I
superior.
can
Get
find
off of me.
You
This
have
ain't
one,
no
right?
humble brag.
Nelly, you
I
have
want
one?
you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to believe in what
You
you
don't have
got,
none?
it was built to last. Yeah.
My auntie did.
Chavana have one. You have one.
Never got anyone's
So,
help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow.
making name Ava. You have none of the shiny eggs? So there's one more.
Come here. Come on, let me see. Yeah,
There's
right?
one more.
Let me see. You don't have any shiny ones?
Yes, I have one.
There should be 6. So if so far on the count 5.
No.
Okay, Shane, I'm going to
There are a lot more eggs there in the. See, me I'll pass them. I'll pass egg. I'm not showing you guys, but I'm still passing eggs. Yep.
Where you see eggs?
I'm still passing eggs. Look, you guys need to look. Oh, no complain. Oh! Oh, they just throw the eggs all over the lawn. Uh-huh. There's more. I passed a couple already.
Gotta be like hot, cold, something.
I'm still passing eggs. I passed 3 eggs so far.
Hot, cold,
None under there.
hot, cold. Give me a hot, cold, something.
One is right here in the corner right there.
Come here, look
So
for money, man.
the money one.
I
There's an egg right here.
Oh, this is a good spot.
Then they already took
Oh,
it off.
there is one.
There's one right here.
I should have money.
Tevi, there's one right here.
I found one.
How much more left?
Try. Look and see if it one from the wheel gone.
Yes.
Want to find the wheel?
Tristan,
Just
find
that find it? And one number for yourself.
Tristan, find find
Just that, that's it, baby. I don't think there's any more.
There's more.
No, she's looking for the.
No, I'm looking for everything. There's one right there on the wheel.
Help me find,
You find that already?
Help me
Okay.
find our money went to Avon. Unless they're all gone.
I think those are all gone. Like should be 6. I feel like
I
So-
got, I don't know.
you got. Tevin, Tristan is not over there. So come,
Come over.
come. Tristan, up in the corner up there, sir.
Yeah, I got that.
You got all of these? It's sure just find one. There was a lot of eggs, so they're hidden all over. Wanna find the ones I'm in here, sir?
Oh, he's Wilson.
You see what I'm saying?
Oh, 6 on bread.
No, you're too crazy. Wanna find the one on the oldest, sir?
That goes on there?
Yeah. Unless what they go. Yes, baby. Wanna check in at the tree here?
Yeah.
Wanna find all the one in my tree?
Yeah. I was the first one to look at the tree. I only seen 2 in
Okay, we're finding it here before.
Good hiding. I like how that you guys incorporated money. That made me wanna play.
Oh, but Mr. Understand, grab the decoration them. Wanna look in here, sir?
Yeah, I did. I cleaned
Oh,
up.
you learned from the last time.
Yeah, I cleaned them. Cleaned them. You're gonna have to find some new spots next year. All right?
That's it then.
Yep.
That should be it. Yes, baby.
That's hiding eggs.
Oh, thank you, darling. So everybody's done?
Yeah.
Ava on full.
I know, right?
She's still mad. Come on.
Come on, Ava, let's go. Come.
Let's still have some on the lawn right here. On the pass, I don't want to on the lawn. Want to keep on that? Yes, baby. There's that.
I just got 2 on the lawn.
Everybody passing the rake except for the lawn.
Stealing legs.
I think that's it.
I'm stealing legs up in here.
I think that's it. Everybody's basket is full.
I thought you said it was in the trees.
They were in the trees, but I feel like I'm not grab them out of the tree them already.
One that I have one that you gave me.
Alright, so I think that's it.
Yeah, I like that one.
I'll check to see how many shiny ones you have, Tristan. 1? So we have.
This on the tire though.
Yeah.
That's the silver one. Look at
This
this.
is one.
Just
Savannah have one.
Savannah
It should be 6 of them.
Man, one. I won.
Find out how much I have.
Yes.
You got a shiny one? I got an orange one. You got gold?
Savannah has one.
You have one?
It should be 6.
I got one.
I got one.
You have only one?
Yeah, man, I have one.
Should you have 1 or 2? 1.
Come here.
See? We told us she got everything in that tree then. That's the last one?
No, 5 dots.
5?
That's the last one?
That's 5.
No, that makes 6.
6.
That's the shiny one.
That's the shiny one.
That's the shiny one. That makes 6. So you have 1.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. You never find one?
No, that's why I said it's only 5 of them.
You
so
guys
far.
don't remember where you put that?
Right, I'm so good. So that's
We don't put some in this, you know.
Nah, I probably took out.
Wait, so I'm just fine.
just
In that one. But this was the first one I searched.
Yeah, but you need to search, yeah. This I want to take it out.
there's 6 of them.
Watch out, Mr.
You're sure you don't have any of Nally?
The different ones, bro.
I don't see yeah now. There should be 1 more. Tevi, let me see. Let me check.
I already got 1 shiny.
Tell them hot or cold.
You get it.
So we're trying to find the last golden egg. Hot is the closest.
Hot is hot.
Cold is when you're far.
Shreen is the hottest.
Shreen is the hottest, okay.
Getting hot. Getting hot.
Right there, so right there, so.
Tristan, make sure you're close. You're going movie.
You find it, Tristan?
You're not gonna find it.
Why?
Because it's in that garage.
No, that's not fair. You have to open it.
No, the only reason why I'm put it there.
No,
That's not it.
All right, let me reveal it because no one ain't gonna find it.
You gotta give us a hint. No,
You gotta
don't
give us
do
a
that.
hint.
You gotta give us a hint.
First,
We gotta be like hints.
It's in the garage.
Oh, yeah.
sure, that is the worst hint ever. Like, you literally.
Hey, no.
Tristan, come this way.
No, you got everybody got one already, so. No, give Tristan.
Tristan,
Give Tristan.
The birthday
Tristan we
boy,
get,
come.
Yeah, Tristan we get that one.
is it like right inside the garage?
Okay.
No. Hey, wait, hold on. If it's not immediately in front of the garage, then people can't go in and go look. Go look.
Come back.
Go look.
Tristan to your left. Yeah. Yes, Tristan, yes. No, see? That one was supposed to. Hey, I put it here because I thought you were going to find it.
But you like the garage.
That's what you know because I couldn't go inside. I thought everyone was going to find it.
So everybody got one.
Everybody has one except for
You
now.
didn't get one?
No.
Why don't tell Tristan to go?
No, because
I got birthday boy.
My birthday boy.
Tristan got two. All of us got one. Alright, so
Alright,
open my
so that's it. You guys can come open up.
Open
Come, let's go.
your goal.
Open the gold egg.
I got $1.
Exactly.
I got
Oh, you got money?
Dollar.
I'm getting I got $1 with this. Here, Tristan.
Looking for a refund.
Here.
Yes, sir.
What you do? Thank you. Don't give him money. Open your piggy bank.
Thank you very much.
Open the gold one. Open.
Next time we want $10 or $50.
Next time you carry, come give me. How about that?
Tell
See,
me
look
your-
outside of girl. Next time you carry, come give me.
Yes, I don't do $1 bill.
Open this tomorrow.
You get these candies.
So we all good? You guys had fun? Where's the birthday boy? Had fun? Yeah?
That one was fun.
That
That one was fun.
But I know that him put it somewhere where it's a lucky garage to drop off. I mean, like, nobody ever find that.
I have one right here.
There's somebody who's gonna find that.
Who will go find
No,
it?
somebody was gonna look up here and find that.
Yo, but if you're a tall self,
And then he just
he placed one up here.
No, wait a minute.
He did, and I'm like,
I would've looked up there.
No.
you didn't put one up here. Every time he tried, nobody can reach. I said,
Tristan found one right on the wheel.
that me think so nobody know find
The only
it.
one. The only one.
Yeah, Tristan found that one.
I'm also white, and you too, this so white. Alright, so that's it. We can come out to the call.
It's over.
It's egg hunt is over. You enjoy yourself? There's no part. We're gonna go to the movies after.
So what you guys gonna do
Okay.
now? Cut the cake?
No. Yeah, so we're gonna we forget we need to go sing happy birthday and cut the cake and then you can open the cake.
Yay!
That's a classic picnic. Alright, let's go.
Go upstairs and take it off in the field.
Alright, all the Easter bunnies go.
This was fun.
This is a craven one, yeah. I run for all of the shadow.
Only found one.
Hey, when I tell me, teacher check out like a bolt, you know. The camera couldn't keep up with him.
But I was looking into the
In the bed, Mrs. You're going at it. This. Ready? We're going to say happy birthday for Tristan. First of all, anybody want to do a word of praise? Okay. Let me know that first. Let's say first.
It's a mug.
What word?
Close your eyes.
Come on, dude.
Like the act string on pray. Let's pray.
Dear Heavenly Father, we give you thanks for today. It's Tristan's birthday. Thank you for the gift of life. And I ask you to continue to bless him, guide him, and protect him as he grows. Continue to bless this family, protect this family. And as we gather, I just want to say thank you for giving us this time to come together for this little occasion. Amen.
And thank you for the Easter eggs.
Thank you. Thank you for the $2.
He's gonna sing happy birthday and he's gonna cut the cake and blow the candle and put it in Ready?
Yeah, nice.
Yes.
1,
2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tristan. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Next year, double digits, baby.
Yeah, that's crazy. I remember when I was on the double digits, I was with my grandfather house.
Yo,
So that's crazy.
Ready?
Yesterday.
Blow the cake. Say a wish, say a wish.
That's bigger.
1, 2, 3, blow. Hey! Woo! I don't know how to I'm sure I put it in a record. Just know who you want to put the cake with.
No, I'll get them.
Can I give it to your brother?
Try.
Can I give it to your brother? Tell me you want to cut the cake with your brother?
Listen, stand right there. Stand right there. Come back here.
Postman.
Ava, look at.
Are you my call postman?
No.
Sam, go right there by this again. Just like him take the picture. Alright.
Yeah, look
I'll
at
tell you.
Keneisha, you know.
Pull out the shirt then. Pull out the shirt.
Keneisha. Alright, now you don't so
The black
slow.
one.
No, I'm gonna take
Which
one.
black one?
She's Sam, look.
Colon? Oh, the small one bottle one? Yeah, I like the way that one's small. I don't even know what that is. What is that? I don't even shave. Only when I go to the barber.
Natalie, listen, ignore her, please, because she's crazy. She's a crazy lady. I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put her in Mount Sinai up there. I'm gonna get her admitted to Mount Sinai. Swear to God.
Just the DJ. Well, this one is
Hey, quiet in there. Lights out, little guy. Hey, you can't treat me like this. Do you know who I am? I am Clown.
Take off your hat now, man. It's on.
I'm good. I'm
Ooh. Oh my god, I'm looking crazy. So guys, we just finished watching the movies. Unfortunately, I didn't show a lot of things inside. Well, Chavanya, come out to the road, baby. Come over this side here.
Hey, walk. Hey.
So we are heading to the car. It's a little bit chilly outside. Oh. The gang. The gang. Tristan? Tristan?
Yes, Mom.
How are you feeling for your birthday,
Cool.
Easter boy?
I'm a little bit disappointed that we didn't get to go to
That's why I tell us to walk properly. I'm not going to tell you.
We didn't plan to go to the
road.
trampoline park today.
Walk. Hey,
and
listen
she
to
gave
me.
you the money and stuff.
No, she did not.
Talk to you.
Did she not?
No, she did not.
Okay.
What do you feel about the movie?
Go now.
Movie was
Look
good.
in the camera. What do you feel about the movie?
Movie was good.
You enjoyed it?
But not better than Sonic 2.
You think Sonic 2 was better than this one?
Obviously. Eh? That's a Civic. Where?
I say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.